Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys have been wondering about these tires we had purchased for Laura's side-by-side. A lot of you know that we've had those actually since before we even bought the side-by-side. We started buying parts before we purchased the side-by-side, just something that we did. I'm going to go over a few things in this build, but first I want to let you know that this build is only about 75% complete. We still have to get a front bumper, which we have one. It's actually made. We're just waiting on it to get cleaned up and get over to powder coat. And a lot of you keep asking me where I got this bumper at. If you like this look, I think it looks cool. I think that maybe you could modify it and put a mesh or something on it to protect the radiator, but that is the stock bumper. This is what's behind the plastics. This is actually going to be coming off when we put our bumper on. We're also still waiting on the headache rack to be powder coated. That is done. Some of you have seen that, others haven't. But we chose a 10 by 14, 30-inch tire. So 14-inch rim, 10-inch wide, 30-inch tire. And we went with a Falcon Ridge Vanquish tire, which I will have links down below in the comment section for you guys to check out this tire. My initial thoughts are this is a very nice tire. It is a little on the heavy side, but look at this situation. We need a tire that can handle this beast. And we went with Tusk wheels, which we will also have a link down in the video description or the comment section below. So we'll have links to a lot of things down there. Make sure you check that out. These tires are very nice. They seem to grip really good. Actually, we took it for a little bit of a spin. This whole unit just rides so soft. So one thing that we chose to hook up all of our electronics, and like I said, we still have a lot of electronics to wire up. We still got whips and light bars and all that stuff to wire up. But one thing we chose is this here 8-gang switch panel. Now I have actually talked about these in multiple of my videos. These things, they simplify hooking up electronics. They just make your life so much easier. And I do carry those on my website along with the clutch kits, and we're adding more products every day. www.rngperformance.net, and we'll see you over there. If you want a clutch kit that's going to make this thing ride butter smooth, super smooth, I have no idea what that was about. But if you want a clutch kit that'll make this thing ride butter smooth, super smooth, that would be my primary kit on my website. You'll love it. And guys, as of right now, they are out of stock, but the beginning of next month, what is next month? February, we will be getting them in stock and start to ship. So if you want one, place an order. We'll put you on the list. We appreciate you and all your purchases. So we needed a tablet to run all of the lights and the stereo and all that stuff, because everything is like app based these days. And the amps that we picked out, which I had actually went over in previous videos, they are Bluetooth. One thing I want to mention is I did a lot of research and reading to figure out the right tablet. I didn't want to put a $1,000 iPad in here for somebody to steal it or it get wet and stolen or whatever. But I wanted a budget-minded tablet that wouldn't break the bank and would perform well for this application. And honestly, I really like this tablet. It's very snappy for what it is. I think we paid 130 bucks. I'll have a link for that down below as well as the tablet mount. The mount we just screwed into this cup holder, and we're actually going to put a couple of screws down in this cup holder to keep somebody from just yanking it out and stealing the tablet when we're not looking. But we chose a budget-minded tablet just in case the inevitable would happen. It'd be locked, password locked, so good luck. But and it's a cheap tablet, so it's not really worth anything on the streets locked. So steal it if you want. But we did choose the tablet for this unit, and we will be looking into things such as the GPS for the trails and whatnot, because this tablet here, you can put it on your cell phone service provider. All you need is a SIM card. So when we're on our trips, I can take the SIM card out of my business phone, pop it in here, and have music and everything. Well, unless we're in the middle of nowhere, but hey, whatever. But if you're in the middle of nowhere, chances are you don't want music anyway. That's us. When we're on the trails, we really don't like music, but when we're on the streets, we love to jam. I'll be quite frank with you, I think we're gonna leave the mirrors the same. For whatever unknown reason, I actually like these stock mirrors. CFMOTO did a fine job on these. Are they the best quality? No, but honestly, they feel more quality than some of the cheap ones we've tried from Amazon over the years. So we're gonna try them and see, and if we break them off, then we'll look into replacing them and doing something different. So we have our synthetic winch rope. That's the first thing I changed out on this unit. We do sell this rope kit on our website. It's a very nice kit. I'm putting it on all of our machines because I really, really like it. I picked a bunch of ropes before we settled on putting a kit together. I picked a bunch of ropes and kind of brought them here and played with them, and I picked the one that I liked the most, and this is the kit that we went. I put that kit together. You can't buy this kit in this kit form anywhere, so this is a kit that I chose each individual piece for, and I did it just for all of us, you guys. Speed Stickers was super generous on hooking us up with these sticker set that goes on your unit. Now, we did have to paint our unit black to make these work, but it's just because of the sticker set that we actually chose. I still have to put the emblem back on, but it's too cold. If I do it in the cold, it won't stick. So I gotta wait for it to warm up, and I'll put it back on, because we was able to save the adhesive, and if I wait for it to be warm, it'll stick. If I put it on now, it'll fall off. I wanna tell you, I really like this sticker set. It is super thick material. It really seems like it's gonna help protect the plastics. It doesn't seem like it's gonna come off very easy, just saying from working with it, but it is actually very easy to apply, and I do have a video on how to do that. I also have a discount code for you to use it, these guys. I do not make any money on any of these that you purchase, and if you want my logo anywhere on your rig, they have my logo, and you can tell them, hey, R.N.G said I can have his logo. I don't want you to pay me to use my logo, because you using my logo is free advertisement for me. But if you want to support me in that kind of way, just know that you can reach out to this company and tell them you want the R.N.G logo. If they have any questions, they can email me or just watch this video. I'm giving them full permission to use my logo for any of my viewers' wraps. No other purpose but my viewers' wraps. And the little mistake that they made here, not a huge deal. I'm not super upset about it, but they did reach out to me and want to fix it, and I told them no, because I thought it was unique. That's my honest truth. I said nope, I think it's unique. I think it looks fine. So definitely get on over to Speed Stickers. I'll have the link and the discount code down below for them. So we chose a Super ATV flip-up windshield for this application, mainly because we're going to be riding it in the summertime, not really the winter time, and I wanted to keep the rain off of us as much as possible, so we can put that down, or we can leave it up to get airflow, because when we're in those trails where we're crawling, it gets mighty warm out there, and we wanted the airflow. And we chose the back glass through Super ATV as well, so huge shout out to them. We just went with just a plain old plexiglass solid back windshield. And like I said, we're doing a headache rack back here, and maybe a few other things such as a toolbox, a cooler, whatever, because I actually want to do some overlanding in this, maybe possibly this year. For the underglow lights, you guys are always asking me, what ones did I go with? I'll have a link down below. We went with the Oxbeam, because you guys know I really favor Oxbeam on this channel, and not because they take care of me and support my channel, but because I truly back their product. Nonetheless, I'll have a link down below. So guys, I want you to leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think of this build. Is there something that you would like to utilize for your build? Something that you like? Do you like these tires and wheels? Do you like the windshield we did? Do you like the stereo that we did? A lot of you always say you like that stereo, but I'm going to tell you that stereo was full custom. We didn't buy it and put it in there. I bought each individual piece and put it together, and the speakers actually didn't fully fit in the housings. I had to make them fit. Just a whole host of different things I had to do to build this stereo. And she sounds nice, crisp, clean, clear, and got a very, very nice thump to it, even out here in the open. And it really, honestly, it seems like the farther you get away from it, the louder it is. Don't know about why, but I'll tell you what, when you're in there, it thumps your butt. Just saying. So guys, I want to close this video out here. This is just an update on Bandit, and we'll be working on Laura's video for her CFMOTO channel on giving away and things that we're giving away. So definitely go on over and check out Laura's off-road adventures. I'll have a link down below as well. I'll just have a comment with a bunch of links down in it for you guys to check out. I want to thank you guys for stopping in, watching. And make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And remember, leave us a comment and tell us what you like. What did you do to your rig? Do you have an XL? Do you have a regular UForce? Do you have a Z-Force, C-Force? We want to hear from all of you guys. We always appreciate every comment. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out, and God bless.